What's up guys, today's video is on the best dog pillow bed. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Big Barker 73 Pillow Top Orthopedic Dog Bed. Dog owners and dog lovers who are concerned about their health. Pet owners will love Barker's Pillow Top Bed for its therapeutic benefits. The product has been clinically tested to improve mobility of dogs and relieve pain within only 28 days. Furthermore, the mattress is often regarded as one of the top orthopedic dog beds and is recommended by specialists as well as our editors. The bed's micro-suede cover that is zippered is easy to clean and is wash machine and dryer secure. The bed is intended specifically for large, and massive-sized breeds. It is also too strong for smaller dogs. Number 2. BarkBox Platform Bed. We're beginning our counting down with the platform bed from BarkBox. For dog owners seeking high-quality pet products should be familiar with the brand. The product comes with 3 mattress that is a therapeutic mix of high-density foam for painful joints and arthritis pain, hip dysplasia and so on. The cover can be washed and is waterproof, so you don't need to spend many hours cleaning. The bed comes with a squeaky toy for your pet. We guarantee that the golden retriever you buy it for will always be thankful to you for this purchase. Number 3. Carhartt Durable Canvas Dog Bed. If you're searching for a pure-of-earth kind of dog bed without frills or unnecessary features, then the Carhartt Canvas Dog Bed is the best option. Apart from being available in various sizes and colors, the bed comes with the cushion made of polyfill, the sturdy 12 ounces cotton duck canvas material, and tough zippers that are durable. The mattress also comes with a waterproof liner, as well as 2 covers made of micro-suede to make it easier. There's also an anti-skid bottom that will ensure the bed remains in position. Overall, it's among the most comfortable cooling beds currently available. Number 4. Canine Ballistics Pillow Dog Bed. Canine Ballistics is a reputable company that is specialized in creating nearly indestructible dog bed. If your dog is a squisher or digger and you're bored of seeing broken beds, then consider this tough rectangle pet bed. Ideal for medium-sized dog breeds, large dogs and even extra-large dogs, this bed for dogs can be able to withstand destructive behavior due to it being waterproof and scratch-proof. The bed's filling is crushed Certipur foam mattress to provide maximum support. Also, there's a 120-day guarantee against damage as well. Number 5. Jumbo Orthopedic Dog Bed. If you're a follower of our blog and read our articles about dogs frequently, you'll find that we're huge fans of Copex canine beds. We're bringing to an end the Best Pillow Beds compilation with the brand's 7 Orthopedic Memory Foam Dog Bed. This product is ideal for those who prefer lying on pillows while they sleep. It's perfect for neck, back, and hip support. It is also hypoallergenic. As we can tell, it's one of the few dog beds which offer pet owners the benefit of 2 waterproof zippered covers that protect against accidental dog accidents. A pet bed purchase is similar to purchasing a human mattress. It is important to consider factors such as durability, washability, health risks, as well as other health concerns. It's just that you're trying to select the right bed for your beloved pet rather than for yourself. As an owner of a dog, the Wright's reserved pillow beds are a good spot to begin. Be sure to keep your pet's preferences and requirements at the forefront when looking for a bed. We're certain that you'll complete a great job. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.